Hey guys, it's Phenom II, and just bought a PC on Tiger Direct, a great online site similar to Newegg for $239.99. I'm gonna unbox it here for you, and then maybe show you some of the build. Okay, to start out with, I've got a 1 terabyte, 3.5-inch standard hard drive. I've got two 120mm fans, another one's in the box. 8 gigs of Kingston HyperX memory. DDR, Phenom II X6. I think it's 1045 ET processor. Regardless. Okay. I've got my motherboard, which is the M5A78LM, so it means a micro ATX LX Pro. It's got the AMD 760G chipset for Phenom II and supports AMD 3 Plus if you update the BIOS. Okay. And here's the other thing. Now let's to go with that, I've got the XBlaster case. Built-in 450 watt power supply. Open this baby up. Okay. Got some styrofoam. Okay. Got a basic installation guide. Okay. So I'm gonna stop the video right here and show you some of the footage. Get this motherboard open. In the box, we get rear I/O panel, data cable, a user guide with driver CD yet. Okay, little fold out thing on train data crap. The actual motherboard. Copper standoff. Okay. Okay, so this puppy on its side. Okay, so let's open this puppy up. CPU. Let's pop this Phenom II X6, so 6 core, 1045T. Okay, we've got in here. Go, slid them right in. Okay, here's my heatsink. Like that. And then this way. Now let's install the RAM. Okay. I've got my Kingston HyperX over here. Just cut this open real quick. Okay. HD audio here. Let's plug that into this header at the bottom. Pop this right here. That should flow that way. That makes sense, right? Here we go. Here's our 24-pin. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to plug in my motherboard, the chassis fan, CPU, heatsink, and plug in the power for the CPU and the data. Okay, you put the hard drive in. Here's my hard drive. Okay, so it says how to install the front bezel of the chassis. Okay. This back there at the bottom. Oh, I did just pull. Yeah. Okay. So we know it's going to be up this way. So we need to put it in. This is Perkins 2, and this is 4 days after I built it, so this is the 10th. I built it on the 6th of February. It's running great. I've got great Windows index scores, CPU, performs exceptional. One newbie mistake I did make is these fans are like so retarded is that the logo side isn't the side that blows out, it sucks in, which is very odd. I figured that out. I was like, there's not a lot of heat, or I mean, there's not a lot of air being blown out there. And I was like, put a piece of paper and it was getting held and it's coming out the front, so I'm going to have to reverse that. Also, which I couldn't do on my Optiplex, which I used to have, the Optiplex business class computer, is this PCI cooler because of the way it was configured. Motherboard was the other way, but on this one, if you look in, you can see my, well, it's probably pretty hard, but right there is my little graphics card, and it's on the second to top slot on my case. So I'm going to put this in above it. It sucks air and blows it out, so I'll put it right above the back side where there's no fan or heat sink, and then it'll just suck the air off the back of the card. So I'm gonna do that, and right now I just finished editing the build. I didn't get all of it. My phone battery did die. I got all of it besides installing the front fan, and well, that's it, and putting in the graphics card that I already owned.